Good morning students. Welcome to 5th standard mathematics. Okay. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of 5th standard mathematics, that is place values. Now if you remember students, in 4th standard you also had learned about one place value that was called Indian place value, but that was for smaller numbers. I think till it was 10 lakhs. Okay. Now in 5th standard, as you can see, we are going to see the Indian place value system for more bigger numbers up till 10 crores. Then we will introduce one very new topic, that is called international place value system. Okay, we should know at the end of this chapter how to represent a number in Indian place value system, how to read a number in Indian place value system, how to represent a number in international place value system, as well as how to read a number in international place value system. Okay, then we will be also doing some small sums like you have done in 4th standard, that is ascending number, maybe comparing numbers, which is smaller, which is bigger. Okay, so this will be throughout the summary of this chapter. Okay, so two important points about this chapter will be, students, Indian place value system and international place value system. I will concentrate on this video for teaching you Indian place value system with its chart and with some examples. Okay. Okay students, welcome back. I hope you can see Indian place value chart. Okay. Now first of all, let me explain you the basic components, then we will go for example. There are 4 periods in a Indian place value chart generally for 5th standard. In 4th standard we have learnt up to only lakhs period. Here we will be learning up to crores period. So there are 4 periods: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Okay. Now inside each period there are certain places. Inside ones period we have 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Inside thousands period we have 2 places: thousands, 10,000s. Inside lakhs period we have 2 places: lakhs, 10 lakhs. And inside, now there is one thing, many of you may pronounce this CRORES crore. It is not crore, you will pronounce it as crore. Okay, crore. Okay, it is not crore, it is crore. So inside crores period we have crore and 10 crore. Okay, so this is the basic layout of Indian place value chart for 5th standard. I repeat, you can see on the board how many periods are there? 4. Ones period, okay, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Inside ones period we have 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Inside thousands period we have 2 places: thousands, 10,000s. Inside lakhs period we again have 2 places: lakhs, 10 lakhs. And inside crores period we have 2 places: crore and 10 crore. Okay, so whenever such kind of questions are there that represent number in Indian place value chart, you have to be doing such kind of questions. Okay, now sir will give you an example. That example you have to represent in the Indian place value chart, as well as you have to write down the number name. So sir is writing an example here. Okay, sir has written a value. Okay, now listen to this. Sir will not erase this. Now whenever you represent a number in Indian place value chart, first you calculate which places are there: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And for avoiding mistakes, always try to write down the number from the back side so that places are not missed. Okay, so 9, 3, 7, 2, 4, 8, 6, 7, 1. So this is how you will represent any given number in Indian place value chart. This is not the end. We have to write down the number name also. So how we are writing? Just pay attention. 17 crore, correct? 68 lakh, 42,739. Sir is repeating once more. You see the hands of sir, where hands are going. 17, what is the period name? Crore. 68, what is the period name? Lakh. 42, what is the period name? Thousand. 739, what is the period name? We are not writing one. Okay, so the answer of number name will be, we will write also 17 crore 68 lakh 42,739. So sir will write also for you, and we will show you where small mistakes students are making. Say 17 crore. Now one mistake students will be making is like this. They will write crores. So that is not the correct way. There is no plural form. They will write in singular only. 17 crore 68 lakh. Again no S. Then 42,000. Then what do we have? 739. So I will write 739. Okay? So this way a full question can be done. What will be the question? Represent number in Indian place value system and write its number name. Okay, one more thing sir would like to show you. I will write this number once more here. 176842739. How does this period help us? Period helps us putting the commas also. 17 is in crores period over, put a comma. 68 is in lakhs period over, put a comma. 42 is in thousands period over, put a comma. So whenever these numbers are given, directly you can recognize. First is this 17 crore 68 lakh 42,739. Okay, so this way one basic question will be there. I repeat, what will be the question? Represent numbers in Indian place value chart as well as write down the number name. Okay, now for your better understanding, we will do one more question. Okay, let me first erase the thing. Sir will not draw this chart once more, but whenever you are given such questions, unfortunately you have to draw it again and again. You have to remember what periods are there, what values are there, and how things are actually working out. Okay, so let us write one more question. Say okay. Now what did sir tell you? Always write from the back. Okay. 8 0 9 8 6 9 3 6. Correct. 639 68 90. Now students, you will see one thing. There is no requirement of 10 crore place here. So there are two options. Either you write this 10 crore place and put a cross, correct? That is option number 1. Option number 2, you can also totally skip writing this part if you want. Okay, but make sure no numbers are written here so that understanding is proper. Fine. Let us see how we will devise the number name. 6 crore 39 lakh 68,908. Okay, so sir will write the number name also. How? 6 crore, okay, 39 lakh, okay, don't put S, 68,000 68,000. Then what will come? 908. Say 900. If you want, you can put and. Even if you are not putting, that is fine. So this is how you will be doing it. 6 crore 39 lakh 68,908. Okay. So students, this video was dedicated for making you understand Indian place value chart. Okay. Indian place value system that is based for 5th standard. I hope you have understood the chart. I again repeat, there are 4 periods. Ones period, thousands period, then lakhs period, crores period. Ones period has 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period has 2 places, thousands, 10,000s. Lakhs period has 2 places, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores period has 2 places, that is crores and 10 crores. And sir has given you example with representation of number in Indian place value chart, as well as sir has taught you how to write the number name. Okay, I hope you have understood. We will meet in the next video with some more questions based on this Indian place value chart. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.